Hi, I'm Jordangus. You probably don't know who I am. If you're subscribed to me, you already know who I am. So this is something you can do when you're waiting for your food and you're really fucking hungry as shit. And you're thinking, man, Cracker Barrel has this game where you can play with golf tees. It's really fun because you play with puzzles all day. But me, I invented the best game that you will ever play in your life, idiot. So I invented a game called Bing Bang. I was really goddamn hungry at this restaurant in Vegas. And I thought, man, I got all these creamers right in front of me. Why not play this game where you have to use your powerful skills to try and make them land on each other? And my friends saw me playing it, and they thought it was the stupidest thing ever, but I started playing it every single restaurant I went to, and I got really good at it, and I thought, this is the perfect fucking game to play when you're hungry as shit, and you really want something to do. So, I'm going to show you how it's played. So this game is called Bing Bang. You just take any freaking half and half ever that you want, and you try and do this. So you put it upside down like that, and you have to like feel the top. Oh yeah. You gotta see if it's like too bubbly, or I won't fucking bark. So then you take it like this, and you go, oh! First try. So once you land it on top like that, you say, Bing Bang, and then you try again. So you go, oh dang, so shit. So you take it like that, and you go, oh fuck my ass. And you go, oh no, okay, oh, Bing Bang. So then I made up the freaking rules of this game. So I'll tell you the rules. So once you land it like that, you can set it up however you like to make it so you just try and stack them as high as you can, as high as you possibly can. My record is 7. So now you go here, and you think, oh man, okay, that's actually centered just right. Oh, and it doesn't matter either. It does not matter whatsoever. If you knock it down, you don't have to start all over. You just set that shit back up, and then you try again. So then you just go like this. Oh, they're trying to pull a bamboozle on me. So you just, fuck right, dog. Okay, so you go like this, and you go like this, and you're like, it's not easy. This game is not easy. Like, you get the, Bing Bang! So then you go from there. So you see how it's like off-centered a little bit? So you go like this, and you say, oh. And you try, and you, okay, alright. So you go like this again, and you go, no. So you go, hi, ho. Shit. Okay. Fucking eat a dick. Oh my god. And you go, Bing, Bing. So that's 4 right there. And like I said, my record is 7. And that's how you play Bing Bang. So play it every place you go, and just know, I'm Jordangus, and I invented this game. Copyright.